Guys, welcome to What's Inside a Golf Ball. So I found this a couple days ago at the golf course, and it looks like it's like orange rubber something, because it's pretty hard. But I've watched another video where they cut open a bunch of different golf balls, and they were different colors. So if you find one, it's probably not going to be orange. It might be like black or something. And yeah, that's what's inside a golf ball. So yeah, so, I might be filming later today. It depends. And see ya in the next video. Bye.